Hi, this is Chris Work, and I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on how you can easily schedule a meeting in your Office 365 account. This will be very helpful when you're trying to set up one-to-one meetings with your coach. So when you first sign into Office 365, here's our home page, and you just want to open in to your mail. And this will take you into your inbox, and you should be checking your inbox just about every day that you're in the learning development phase. So once you speak with one of your coaches and they ask you to set up a one-to-one meeting, you want to log in here and make sure you discuss the time that you want to set with your coach. So I might tell one of my coachees, send me a calendar invite. We can meet tomorrow at 12:30. So once you're logged into here, you can come up under new, and you want to create a new calendar event, the second option here. And here is the main screen where you can schedule your calendar event. So the first thing is you want to add a title to your event so that when you send it to your coach, they'll know exactly what it is. So we're going to call this a one-to-one meeting with Coach Chris. And the location, you can type in whatever location you said. So I may have told my coachee, meet me at my desk in the main office. So I'm going to put the location at main office. And you'll see that Outlook is going to try to give you these automatic options. Just ignore those. So like I said, today is April 13th, and I told my coachee that we're going to meet tomorrow. So I change my start date to tomorrow, the 14th, and I'm going to change my time to 12:30. And you'll set the appointment for however long you agree to with your coach. So typically I tell my coachees to set aside about a half hour. Now here are some important features and aspects of the meeting. So typically for this event, you would not want it to repeat. Although if you have agreed with your coach that it's going to be a repeating time, you can set that up here. You want to make sure that it's saved on your calendar and that it shows that you and your coach are going to be busy. The reminder is really up to you as to whether you want to receive a notification on your Office 365 account that you have a meeting with your coach. So 15 minutes wouldn't be a good enough reminder for me. So I'd probably set it, to about, let's say 4 hours before, so that when I check my email in the morning, there'll be a notification reminding me about my meeting. So here are all the details of the event. We've scheduled it for tomorrow, the 14th at 12:30 for a half hour. I've added in my title and location. I've been sure to make the appointment display as busy on my coach's calendar, and I've given myself a reminder. If you do want to set that repeating event, ask your coach how to do that, and they can help you out. But for this first time that you set a meeting, you can just make it so that it doesn't repeat. So now I'm going to go up here and make sure I invite my coach to the event. So I'm going to try to find myself in the directory. And you'll see that once I type in my first and last name, I come right up. And you'll see how it's going to display on your calendar once you send the request. Also important to know up here is that if you're ever going to review a PowerPoint with your coach, or there's a document or agenda that you're going to share, you can attach that document right from your computer files. Or you can type the agenda that you want to discuss right into the body of this message. So after you've gone through everything, double check to make sure all the details are correct. You can send the request. And you'll see right up here at the top of your inbox, the meeting shows up. And you can also view it right on your calendar for tomorrow. And we'll go through and learn about all these different features of Outlook. So that is pretty simple on how you create a meeting in Outlook 365.